how to clear enemies around the container in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So as you can see, here's our container, and we need to clear the enemies around it. So prepare for some shooting, because it will require to clean all the hostiles right here. So it will be kinda long task to do because there's a lot of hostiles around. And now we need just open a container. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.